Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to a peaceful drive along Mohawk Point Road in Lowbanks, Ontario. This scenic route offers a charming glimpse into the natural beauty and quiet charm of the region. As you travel along this road, you'll find yourself surrounded by the serene landscapes that make this area so special. Lowbanks is a small, friendly community located on the northern shore of Lake Erie. The road takes its name from the nearby Mohawk Point, a local landmark that adds to the area's unique character. This part of Ontario is known for its picturesque countryside, with fields and farms stretching out as far as the eye can see. The landscape is dotted with trees and small ponds, creating a tranquil setting that is perfect for a leisurely drive. The region around Lowbanks has a rich history that dates back to the early settlers who were drawn to the fertile land and the proximity to Lake Erie. The lake has always been a vital part of the area's identity, providing resources and opportunities for those who live here. Today, it remains a popular spot for fishing, boating, and other water activities. Whether you're passing through or taking a leisurely drive, Mohawk Point Road in Lowbanks offers a delightful experience for those who enjoy the simple pleasures of rural life. Thanks for watching!